Today we're going to talk about argumentative writing. Now, what is argumentative writing? Argumentative writing is a writing meant to convince the reader to agree with your point of view. This is easy to remember because the word argumentative has the word argument in it. But this doesn't mean you're yelling at someone, it means you're making a case using facts and reasoning, so the reader understands why your position is the right one. In order to convince someone about your topic, you're going to need reasons and evidence. Here's an example of argumentative writing from a student writing about recess. We'll look more closely at this one later. Let's look at some possible topics. Here's Sally. She's been asked to write an argumentative essay, and she starts brainstorming some ideas. School should start later in the morning. Homework should be shorter. Every neighborhood should have a park. Recess should be longer. All four of these are great argumentative writing topics because they have a clear position that you could agree or disagree with. Let's talk about what is not argumentative writing because it can be a little confusing. If Sally writes about recess but she just describes what she's doing during recess, that's not argumentative writing. That's more like a personal narrative. She might give details, but she's not trying to convince anyone of anything. Instead, if she writes, recess should be part of every day of school because it helps students stay focused, healthy, and build social skills, and backs that up with facts, that is argumentative writing. Here's another non-example. Recess is the best part of the school day. This topic is more suited for opinion writing rather than argumentative writing because it'll likely discuss personal beliefs and reasons from the writer's own experience rather than an argumentative writing, which would look more like this. Recess improves student focus and develops social skills. This topic is better suited for argumentative writing because it'll likely use research studies, brain science, and case studies to prove its point. You can find argumentative writing everywhere, in letters to the principal, in articles about saving the environment, even in commercials. What makes them argumentative is that they're trying to persuade you with reasons and proof, not just telling you information. Let's see if you can spot the argumentative examples here. The argumentative ones are too much social media harms your mental health and why school lunches should be healthier because they're taking a position and trying to convince you. Now let's look at the recess writing from earlier. Let's see the features that argumentative writing has. It has a claim. It has clear reasons. It backs it up with evidence. It also has reasoning that connects the evidence. And oftentimes there's a counter-argument. Just like informative writing, you'll often need sources in argumentative writing. Sources are where your facts come from. Books, articles, research studies, case studies, even interviews. It's important to give credit because if you don't, it's called plagiarism. Argumentative writing gives you the power to make your voice heard, to stand up for what you believe in, and to make others see your point of view.